What if I tell you that even if you become one of the lucky 24,200 applicant to get invitation to apply between October 10th and October 24th, there is high possibility you would not be able to qualify under the final 15,000 applications. I have seen applicants get the letter of invitation but still missed out because they failed to plan. So even if you are waiting for your invitation, there is a lot of stuff you can do right now to be ready. In this video, I will show you what you can do to be ahead of the game. Guys, I am Dev Sareen, RCIC from Toronto, and I help people just like you with Canadian immigration. Let's get started. IRCC will send out 24,200 invitation, but here's the important part. They are only taking the first 15,000 applications that are totally finished and submitted. The difference is there because they assume there could be applicants who might not be eligible or might not be able to send in complete and correct applications. The first 15,000 complete applications received will fill up the spot. So that means it's not just about getting things done, but getting them done fast. Some papers take a long time to get ready, and once you are invited, you have less than 60 days to send in everything because 15,000 spots will fill up very quickly. Imagine doing everything right but still missing out because others were faster. It's like a race and you don't want to be left behind. So, if you are wondering what are those documents you need to start prepare even before getting the invitation to apply, well, let's break it down one by one. The first in the list is marriage certificate. Some of you might be thinking that your parents never got a formal certificate, so you could just submit an affidavit. Here's the deal, guys. The marriage certificate seriously boosts credibility of your application. So if your parents didn't register their marriage, now's the time to do so. It can be a bit of a process, so do not wait and just apply for the certificate. Second is birth certificate. Simple but super essential. Ensure your parents have their birth certificates ready. If they do not, it's time to apply that as well. Third is, guys, very obvious, passport, which is overlooked. But even if you have gotten a passport, great, but check its expiration date. If it's close to expiring, it's time to reapply. Remember, you don't want any hitches in your application. Fourth is, guys, police clearance certificate. If your parents have traveled to countries other than where they live and stayed for more than 6 months, this one is vital. Get clearance from those countries because this could lead to a lot of time and you must act swiftly. Next in the list is death certificate. If sadly any of your parents had passed away, you need their death certificates. This is essential, so make sure you have it. But wait, there is one major aspect we haven't touched on yet. How much do you need to earn? What are the income requirements to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria? Figuring out your family size and how it affects those requirements can be confusing. I have seen loads of questions on this, and guess what? I will be breaking it down for you in detailed video all about how to calculate family size in relation to the income requirements for 2023. And not only income, I'll be diving deep into common mistakes folks make in their application. Mistakes that can lead to rejection. You have come this far, why risk it? So guys, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned with this channel because there will be a lot of more information coming on parents and grandparents program only. Thanks for watching.